C++ any type, type-safe containers for single values of any type. The C++ any type is a container that can hold a value of any type. It was introduced in C++ 17 as a way to provide type safety when dealing with values of unknown types at compile time. It's part of the C++ 17 standard library. It can store any type in a single container, retrieve values in a type-safe manner. Let's explore the C++ any type in more detail. What is standard any? The standard any class provides a type-safe container for single values of any copy constructible type. It was introduced in C++ 17 and is defined in the any header file. It is a safe alternative to void pointers and maintains type information at runtime. Here's an example of how to use standard any. First, include the any and iostream headers. Then, in the main function, create an empty any object. After that, assign values of different types to it, such as an integer, a double, and a string. Let's look at some basic operations with standard any. In this example, we include the any iostream and string headers. We create and initialize an any variable named value with the integer 42. We can check if the any object contains a value using the hasValue method. If it does, we print hasValue to the console. We can also reset the any object to an empty state using the reset method. There are several methods available for working with standard any. These include the constructor, which creates an empty or initialized standard any object, hasValue, which checks if the object contains a value, reset, which resets the object to an empty state, type, which returns the type ID of the contained value, and inPlace, which constructs the contained value in place. Accessing values with any cast. This example shows how to safely access values stored in a standard any object using any cast. We include the necessary headers: any, iostream, and string. We create a standard any object named value and initialize it with the integer 42. To safely access the value, we use a try-catch block. Inside the try block, we use any cast to attempt to convert the value to an integer. If the conversion is successful, we print the integer value to the console. If we attempt to convert the value to a double, anycast will throw a standard bad anycast exception, which we catch and print the error message to the console. The anycast function is used to extract the value from a standard any object with type checking. The syntax is standard anycast less than t greater than any object. If the requested type doesn't match the contained type, a standard bad anycast exception is thrown. Always verify the type before casting or use exception handling to prevent runtime errors. Type checking with standard any. This example demonstrates how to check the type of a value stored in a standard any object before attempting to cast it. We include the any iostream, string, and typeinfo headers. We create a standard any object named value and initialize it with the string hello. Before casting the value, we check its type using the type method. If the type matches standard string, we safely cast the value to a standard string and print it to the console. We can also get the type name using the type.name method, which returns a compiler-dependent string representation of the type. The type method returns a standard typeinfo object that identifies the type of the contained value. You can compare it with type ID of t to check if the contained value is of type t. Always check the type before casting to avoid exceptions. Check type with value.type equal to type ID of t, and only then perform standard anycast less than t greater than. The type.name method returns a compiler-dependent string representation of the type, useful for debugging. Using standard any with custom types. Standard any can also be used with custom types such as classes and structs. This example defines a class named person with a name and age. We create a standard any object named data and store a person object in it. To retrieve the person object, we first check if the type of the contained value matches the person type. If it does, we safely cast the value to a person object and print its name and age. Standard any can store any copy constructible type, including user-defined classes and structs. Requirements for custom types include that they must be copy-constructible and should have proper move semantics for efficiency. Also, consider memory implications for large objects. Common use cases for standard any include heterogeneous data containers, plugin systems with type erasure, generic property systems, and serialization frameworks. Let's compare standard any with its alternatives. In this example, we demonstrate the difference between standard any and standard variant. Standard any can hold a value of any type, and the type can be changed at runtime. Standard variant, on the other hand, can hold a value of one of a limited set of types specified at compile time. Attempting to assign a value of a type not in the variant's type list will result in a compilation error. Here's a comparison table of standard any and standard variant. In terms of type safety, both provide type safety. Standard any provides runtime type safety, while standard variant provides compile time type safety. In terms of type flexibility, standard any can hold any type, while standard variant is limited to a predefined set of types. In terms of performance, standard any uses dynamic allocation, which can be slower, while standard variant uses stack allocation, which is generally faster. In terms of memory usage, standard any typically has higher memory overhead, while standard variant has lower memory overhead. Both standard any and standard variant were introduced in C++17. Best practices in summary. Here are some best practices for using standard any. Always check the type before casting to avoid exceptions. Use try-catch blocks when the type is uncertain. Consider alternatives such as standard variant when types are known at compile time for better performance and type safety. Document expected types when using standard any in APIs. Clearly document what types are expected to be stored and retrieved. Be mindful of performance as standard any uses dynamic memory allocation. Consider the performance impact in performance-critical code. In summary, standard any provides a type-safe container for single values of any type, offering flexibility when dealing with heterogeneous data. While powerful, it should be used judiciously, with proper type checking and consideration of alternatives like standard variant for known typesets. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.